Okay, let's start. Hello, my name is Anders and I'm a co-founder of the company Snowvision. And Snowvision is companies that will help ski resorts to save a lot of money. Skiing is a great leisure that becomes more and more popular worldwide. But for some of the people, it's business generating totally 30 billion euros revenues per year. And one of the main conditions for the successful business is the quality of the snow on the slopes. So, what is the quality of the snow? In order to successfully run business, ski resorts need to know specific information about snow. For example, the depth of the snow cover cannot be less than 50 centimeters in any place. But apart of that, they need also to know snow water equivalent and temperature of the snow in order to predict the snow behavior and efficiently plan snow production. And this is a very hard task for the resorts because the total length of the slopes can be even up to 400 kilometers per one resort. And to assess the snow quality manually, it's actually impossible. And there is no technology in the market that can provide all the necessary information. So what resorts do? They just produce artificial snow as much as they are sure there is enough snow on the slopes. And this is very costly. And actually 50% of those production costs is wasted money, as snow is overproduced because of the safety reasons. And this is where Snowvision can really help. Snowvision offers completely new technology to the market, the technology that nobody has created so far. We offer a Snowvision sensor that can measure snow remotely and in real time. And with the network of our sensors, ski resorts will have full map of the snow cover on the slopes. So our sensor can provide information on snow depth, snow water equivalent, and snow temperature. And we already got the response from the industry that if the resorts had all the information we can provide, they would save up to 50% of the snow production costs. That actually solves their problem. Of course, there are some existing solutions already in the market, but the most advanced are as simple as groomers being equipped with a depth sensor or GPS, and when the groomer runs the slope, the depth is measured in this particular place. And although it's proven that with these technologies, ski resorts can save up to 15% of the snow production costs, they have plenty of weak points. For example, measurements can be done only nighttime, and they don't provide the information on snow water equivalent and snow temperature. Calculating also the payback time, and this calculations is based on the real cases, then payback time for the investments in our technology will be 3 times less than in our competitors' technologies. And talking about the technology behind the sensor is passive perception of the microwaves radiated by the snow and atmosphere. And with a difficult algorithm, we can say all those parameters I mentioned before. And we have a national patent on the key element of the sensor, and we have also huge know-how gathered by our scientists for the decades. So, talking about the team, we have world-class scientists in our team in microwave diagnostics and atmosphere physics, and the business part is done by our CEO Alexeis and myself. Alexeis right now is in France. He's presenting our sensor in the exhibition Mountain Planet, so I have this opportunity to present today. And we also collaborate with Carlo from DNH. DNH is an industry expert that acts as a consultant to the ski resorts in snow management. And by the way, DNH has 60 largest French resorts as their clients, so significant, important partner. In this picture, you can see our scientists together with our CEO in France in the resort Les Des Alpes, where we saw their interest in our technology. And actually, we have already agreed for snow measurements to be done this summer on their glacier. So we have already started cooperation with them, and they agreed even to pay for these measurements. But we have also good cooperation with other industry players like Luster Montaigne and D&H and Les des Alpes I already mentioned. Meteo France, that is Meteo Station in France, where we performed our field test this winter. About the market, there are around 5,000 ski resorts worldwide, and this number is increasing. And the great part of them is located in Alps. That actually makes our business easier to start and perform, because our 5-year goal is to approach top 500 ski resorts in Alpine region by selling to them 10,000 devices and generating €500 million sales. So far we have raised €65,000 investments, and with this money we created working prototype and performed 2 field tests, one in Finland last year and one in France this winter. And the results of the tests are very promising. We see that sensor works and we go right direction, so we just need to continue. So the next steps, what we must do is we need to develop sellable product. To create software, register PCT and trademarks, get certification and start manufacturing of the first devices. And for that we need €500,000 investments. And as the last, just one example, the SnowSat, that is kind of our direct competitor, although they have completely different technology, they try to solve the same problem. This company used to be a startup company 5 years ago, but recently they have been acquired by groomer producer Piston Bally, and that only showed that there is a huge interest in new technologies, not only from the resorts but also from the other industry players, because those 50% of the snow production costs, that is actually wasted money, is challenge number one that the industry tries to solve. And we know that we can help in this. So this is our opportunity right now. Thank you very much. You are welcome to ask questions.